Once the Desktop Logon Agent has been installed, we need to configure the Windows Active Directory group policy to configure the settings for the agent. Multiple policies can be created as required across different sets of desktops and servers. In this instance, I'm going to create a single group policy object to apply to this domain controller. We need to make sure that the Desktop Logon Agent template has been imported so that the configuration options are available. So firstly, we're going to enable PINgrid as a 1.5 factor authentication type, so we can log on using PINgrid on the screen without having to have a separate two-factor device. We're also going to disable the standard Windows username and password option, so which means we have to log on to the machine with PINgrid. Lastly, we need to link the Desktop Logon Agent to the domain so that the policy settings can take effect on this machine. As this is a demo and we want the changes to take effect immediately, I'm just going to force the group policy update. And lastly, I'm going to restart the Desktop Logon Agent service to ensure that the new policy settings are loaded immediately. So to test this, we're now going to lock the machine and then unlock the machine. And now we have the password and show PINgrid and one-time code options. So I'll start by entering the password. I'm going to click the show PINgrid option, and we get a 1.5 factor grid on the screen. Now I shall enter the one-time code of 213213, and I can log into the machine.